Hey guys, Besa here. Right now we are in South Lake Union. I'm currently standing right inside the Diva Dream Academy. Why? Because I'm gonna tap in with its founder and executive director, Nikki Gane. She's going to give me a tour of the academy, plus we're gonna go onto the other side and check out their headquarters where their divas are learning work skills and so much more. So let's see what Dignity for Divas is all about.
This is the Dream Academy here. This is our entryway, so this is where everything happens for the divas first entering into our program. All the divas come through us through referrals. So any housing agency that provides housing, they send the referral over to us. The diva comes in for her appointment and is welcome home, welcome home. So it's a full year that we work with every single woman, all through healing, workshops, training, activities, so that she can start to shift and change her mind and keep her key,
and
right?
See what's possible.
And see what's possible, because it takes time to change, right? You can't just throw somebody in an apartment and expect them to be like, there you go. You got to show them the ways to live in a new space, evolve, learn about bills and getting reacclimated with life and kids and school and all those things. So we work with them every step of the way. So this is where the journey begins. Here in our entryway, there's a lot of different stages of coming into this space because it is an experience. We want them to feel like these are moments they're not going to forget. So everyone that walks into this space picks up a dream card. So you're going to get your dream card. Everyone from your team, you pick any card you want, and we'll see what the universe got for you. It's all positive affirmations, and it actually is always something that someone's like, oh my God, I was just thinking about that. This right here is one of our classroom settings. We host our Mommy and Me cooking class. So we have a trained chef come in and teach healthy food options for our divas and their kids. And it's a great opportunity for the kids to actually have fun with mom. Because you know what? Stress is not the only experience we should share.
Yeah.
So once they've got their house, now we can start creating a new story, a new impact. We partner with Safeway, so all of the items on the recipe, they can take with them home and then make whatever they want that they made in the class. We also flip the room again. We always make use of the space, and we flip it around and it turns into a financial literacy workshop. We partner with Key Bank, so they come in and they teach only basics. So checking, budget. Because you don't want to be talking about stuff where someone's like, why are you talking about that?
Like, this is too far. Like, can we start here?
Can we start with what's happening to me right now today?
Yeah.
And they also help them open a checking account and give them money to put into their checking account. It is incredible. It is incredible. We have women that have kept their checking accounts because, again, if they get stuck, we have that availability to say, hey, let's talk to somebody, what's going on, so that you can start learning about budgeting and saving, even if it's $20 a month.
Yeah.
Saving is saving.
Saving is saving.
Saving is saving. So this is just a wonderful opportunity where they can get hands-on and then they're comfortable in the space, so everything happens right here.
Where are we at? And by the way, I'm already seeing the affirmations in this room.
Yes.
Like,
yes.
Whole sheet of affirmations.
Every workshop has affirmations. And of course, these ones are geared towards beauty. So this is our beauty and makeup workshop.
Okay.
We have a beauty expert that comes in and offers skincare, makeup, lashes, back to work looks, all these different things so that you can start to become who you are again, because you know you lose a lot of yourself when you're going through homelessness. So we want to bring you back to the forefront. We host 2 different types of yoga classes every month. We do a meditation movement class for the moms and their kids, ages 3 and up, and it is beautiful to see the kids being still and breathing and sitting in their stance. And then we also do an evening yoga class for the adult women or women that just don't want to bring their kids. It's incredible. We have some of the pictures of the kids and their parents. So it's a wonderful opportunity, again, to have fun with your kids, to be introduced to yoga, to be introduced to learning to breathe, to live, not to survive. So in here is our podcast room inside of the new headquarters. It's called the Dream Playbook. So we want to give individuals, everyday people, an opportunity to like share a page of your playbook of something you went through.
Wow.
So that we can share it with someone else who may be going through something. So inside of our headquarters, as you guys were seeing as you're walking through, all the staff are all divas.
Mm-hmm.
That's part of our new internship program. So when the women come into the program, initially, they get, of course, their welcome home kit.
Mm-hmm.
They get all of their amazing new products.
Mm-hmm.
They get access to year-long of workshops, wellness, healing, shopping, Diva Dream kits. Then they graduate at the end of their year. It's always a rolling year because every diva comes in at a different point. So we do a huge quarterly graduation ceremony. Family, friends, everybody comes and celebrates. Hey, you were home for a whole year, right? And then coming over to the academy side, to the headquarters, we introduce divas who graduated to now work at the organization. So that all happens here at the headquarters. Here is our diva break room area. So for all the divas that working in all the different departments, they have a space where, again, they can have their privacy, they can chill out, they can watch TV. We have our team meetings in here. So a lot of working together, also having a space for volunteers to come in and help us with our kits and all these different volunteer activities. This is our call center area where all of our divas work on different various tasks and responsibilities and roles. We have our virtual side on the left side, where they're doing actual calls to women sleeping in their cars or at shelters. Again, removing the barrier of them actually having to come in person. Why? Help them right where they are, get the information, and start coordinating housing for them. We don't want to keep making someone have to go through too many steps to get help. It's too hard, right? So we have all these different stations. This is our welcome home team over here, and all of our divas are doing different roles. So we're just so thankful to be able to provide a real space for real work. Everyone has their own desk, and again, it creates something that makes you feel like this is for me. There's so many ways to give, and I think we don't want to break it down only one way, because some people don't have it where they can give monetary. You can give your wisdom, you can give a positive word, you can come and read to a diva in the meditation room. So just hit us up on our website and we'll find a way.
We'll find a way.
We'll find a way.
Well, shoot, you guys, that is Dignity for Divas, from the academy all the way over here to the headquarters. They are not just giving women food, they're not just teaching them classes, they are literally giving them back their dignity. And I love what you're doing.
Thank you for coming here. We love you, and we appreciate you taking so much time to come and tour the space and just learn about what we're doing. Again, that's providing access for us as an organization so that we can reach more and have more people learn about our work. So we thank you.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And of course, like she said, to learn more, head on over to dignityfordivas.com.